Talk about some subscription boxes. I'm still waiting for one, but two of them have come in. I don't want to wait too late. It's already after February 1st, so before that first week, let us open some boxes. First, the Cleaner Beauty box. Let's open this guy. Yeah, I should probably slice it. It's probably a good idea. Slice this open. Open it up. And I do wish that companies would wait a day or two on Instagram to reveal the product for the month, because it's never a true surprise, which is 75% of the fun for me. So I do know the products that we have are Indie Lee. Indie Lee was popular, I think a year ago or a little bit more than a year ago when I started getting into skincare. So we have the Stem Cell Serum. I love the packaging. They're very, very clean. And this, wow, it's a large little dropper. And this has gotten a lot of great ingredient reviews. It's supposed to be a clean company, and I have not tried anything from them. What's in the stem cell serum is apple fruit extract, bamboo, definitely thicker than water for sure. It's not really like, the viscosity is minimal. It's the best way I could describe it. Smooth, nice. Address skin firmness, texture, and tone with this active conditioning serum. This, unlike all of the green beauty products that I'm currently using, that currently is really, really working for me, and I'm scared to try something else, but I will because that's what we do. There's nothing kind of planty or oily in this, but I do plan on going back to my medical skincare product because I think about the days I have not even cleaned the hairs that I cut from my haircut video, but time will come. What else do we have? We have the Coq10 Toner. Actually, these two products are so much better than if I had gotten a cleanser or something. The main one in the Coq10 is aloe vera, chamomile, cucumber, papaya extract, sage, and again, hyaluronic acid. So lots of hyaluronic acid going on. Really excited about this box. And then once you do get the subscription, you get 15% of all of the products in the store, which is worth it. The selection within the store amongst all of these three companies are very, very similar. They are green beauty, organic, and for the most part, products that I Boxwalla again. I'm just dropping everything left and right. Next, let's open up Beauty Heroes. So this is already sliced. I too already know what's in here. I also know what will be in the Boxwalla when it does arrive. And this one will be for the body. Oh, I didn't know there were two products. Looks like there's two. Very nice. Discover Yina. Yina, I believe, I'm not totally sure, but also green beauty, and they believe in scientific studies. Oh, it's the Gua Sha that's in the second one. I knew that. So it's this Gua Sha that comes, and if you haven't heard of Gua Sha, it's a face massage. And it's done with a stone, and some people use a jade stone, some people use a stone that I can't think of right now. This is not a jade stone. I don't know what kind of stone this is, but I like that it gives you neck directions, a back directions. Is that armpit directions or arm directions? My arms are my weak spot, the spot that and I need to get back to working out. That is also a goal. I need to make a video so that I'm health accountable. So anyways, this will be getting massaged all over, and the Discovery product is their body the recovery body treatment. First off, really expensive kind of feeling packaging, which, if you know me, I appreciate. Slide this right out, and the stone is, it's a very nice size. You know, you just oil up. I have a couple other stones, but I have a feeling I will be liking this one the best. They give away stones for free often at skincare companies just because I feel like it's just a promotional item when they can't sell enough. But when they're really good, by good I mean the shape and the material it's made out of, then that's not the case. So horsetail and Buddha citrus. Horsetail, I'm not sure what that is, but it's definitely an ingredient that I see in the middle of the list. So this luxurious multitasking body treatment is infused with Chinese medicinal plant complex to leave your skin smooth, nourished, and revitalized. Massage onto your body, arms, neck, shoulders, hips, and legs to remedy fatigue, improve elasticity, and lymphatic flow. For a more invigorating experience, use a body Gua Sha tool. Start with a small amount and apply another layer as needed. Very exciting. The first ingredient is shea butter and then safflower seed oil. This typeface is extremely hard to read quickly, so I'm just gonna pop it right here. And now let's open it really quick. Let's smell it also. So Yina, big, heavy, I don't know, it's like that temperamental kind of like plastic glass in the middle, but very thick. It was very earthy, but look at that. Very exciting. Yeah, it's a butter. Well, yeah, shea butter, but still. 6 months is what it says. I'm already really liking it. It feels so buttery, soft. It smells really medicinal. I don't mind it. Like a really, 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 really light tiger balm. I believe the founders are 2 women, and I believe they're Chinese. Maybe that's where this medicinal Chinese stuff comes from. Not sure what I'm gonna start next because my skincare routine is changing over. Obviously, I will take you with me, but I'm just not sure because I have so much unopened. I also think that I should cancel one of these subscription boxes because I mean, I'm just having, and I have some PR coming, so I'm just gonna have a lot, and I don't wanna be in that spot, except now I'm excited, really excited for everything to come, just because I've learned from my lesson. I've learned that I do not get PR, I do not get things that I am only mildly interested in, because what is the point of that? I hope you enjoyed this. Highly recommend any one of these boxes. Honestly, they truly bring me joy. And it's not even the joy of opening, it's the no, there is a little bit of joy in opening because after a while, after you open so many packages, you realize there's not that much joy in opening, just saying. But when I'm surprised by what the product is that month, for whatever reason, it brings me joy and excitement. So worth it, definitely worth it to me. And once Box Swallow comes, I will be filming that also, and I'll see you soon.